Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today we are going to be talking about Bitcoin as the price is moving higher, exactly as we talked about in our previous video yesterday. We were talking about some of the key levels and some of the resistances as people were saying, hey, there's a loaded gun pointed at crypto in the US. You have some people speaking out today disagreeing. The price movement is going up, disagreeing. More Bitcoin holders than ever before, disagreeing with the sentiment that crypto is dead in America and that Bitcoin has more downside. I think we're getting ready for a bull market, guys. Let's talk about some of the top headline stories for the day and what I'm looking for in this week ahead as we're getting towards the weekend. If you like the content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We are doing 5 videos every single day for you. And to 10,000 subscribers, we are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber, guys. So check that out. Overall market cap right now is coming in at $1.228 trillion, which is fantastic. Almost $100 billion have flown into crypto in the last 24 hours alone. If you do look at right now, the price of Bitcoin currently coming in at $29,600. Just yesterday morning, this thing was at $27,500. $2,000 gains in just a day. Absolutely spectacular. Not surprising at all. This is what we see out of Bitcoin constantly. Yesterday, I said, won't be long until we see Ethereum break back above 1900, and here we are today. Absolutely spectacular. Well, why is this happening? Was there a big piece of news? Not really. The big story is that a bull market's coming. Everybody knows it at this point. But let's look at some of the stories that are going on. I'll tell you, this might be the reason that Bitcoin is jumping. First Republic Bank is collapsing. Jim Cramer said it was an absolute big pick, great pick. We're going to look at this bank, love this bank, look at this bank stock, and now it's collapsing. This bank's going to fail. It's going to be seized by the U.S. government. There's rumor going on right now for that. And this is why when you see the IMF approaching Argentina about borrowing money and taking an anti-crypto stance, I think they really need to reconsider, because what are we seeing right now historically over the last 3 months, 6 months, a year? You're seeing people really start to move over to cryptocurrency away from fiat currencies. As these banks are collapsing, people are looking for a different place to bank. Bitcoin's a fantastic option at the end of the day. So this could be a reason why we're spiking up today, but more banks are collapsing. And also on top of that, there is more Bitcoin addresses with one Bitcoin than ever before. And that will continue to grow, guys. And I do believe that one day you will see $1 million Bitcoin, and there's only 21 million Bitcoin. So you do the math. 21 million millionaires from Bitcoin is really the max in terms of, how many people with one Bitcoin become a millionaire. So guys, if you think about it that way, it starts to get a little bit crazy. That's why you see why Bitcoin can go up as high as we talk about on the channel. If it flips the market cap of gold, you're talking about a $400,000, $500,000 Bitcoin. I don't know if that happens next bull cycle, but as more banks collapse and regulation comes in, a good regulation, I think there's a huge bull case to be made. And some would say, hey, this time is different. Maybe it's dangerous to say that, but there's definitely something different going on in terms of regulation. Now, Kristen Smith is the CEO of the Blockchain Association. She's talking about this whole regulation thing. Again, yesterday we said, hey, there's a loaded gun pointed at crypto. You saw Chamath Palihapitiya saying that, probably said his name wrong again. And now you've got Kristen Smith, another CEO, coming out and saying, I have a bright outlook for U.S. crypto policy. And you know what? I think that's the common sense thing here. Clearly, there's a conversation going on about crypto regulation in the U.S. Clearly, there are some pro-crypto people and some anti-crypto people. But as more countries start to adopt it, as China starts to embrace it, we have to compete. We have no choice. You see Coinbase going to court versus the SEC right now. The SEC, also a video from Gary Gensler yesterday, talking about how like 3/4 of all cryptos are not a security. He calls them a commodity when he was teaching back at MIT. So that is a contradiction to some of the things that he said. I think that these court cases are going to be won for Ripple, for Coinbase at the end of the day against the SEC. And I think in the next political election, I did a live stream last night. I took a poll 95% of people believe that in the next presidential election, cryptocurrency will be at the forefront of the debate, not at the forefront of the debate stage, but involved in the debate conversation at some point when whoever the two big candidates are go head to head. If crypto's not talked about, frankly, I'll be shocked, and I think so will the crypto community. We've never seen this much conversation about crypto. Frankly, it's very exciting. Even the negative, right? I mean, think about all the times you've talked about crypto at your family Thanksgiving dinner table. Think about all the times you've seen headlines about it. Majority of the time, it's negative, 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 negative. So push the negative out, guys, and look towards the future. Just like Kristen Smith, very exciting, guys, where we're at right now. And look at the absolute crazy recovery. We tested this channel perfectly. Bounced right up above it, broke back above the $29,266 line. I'm not going to be surprised, guys, now with this wick to see if we can just blast right up back to like 30,000 and then possibly even to this $33,000, $32,000 level here very, very soon. I mean, this happened so quick, guys. And some people are speculating, can we get back to like a $40,000 or $50,000 Bitcoin this year? And guys, really, it's certainly possible. It's certainly possible. And as more banks start to fail, I think it gets increasingly likely. So we'll continue to look at this chart with you guys. But those are a couple stories I want to share with you guys. If you don't have a full Bitcoin yet, maybe you're working on it. I wish you the best of luck. Let me know in the comments down below. Are you a whole Bitcoiner? Do you want to be a whole Bitcoiner? Or is there something else in the crypto markets that you're looking at? Do you have an altcoin strategy? We talk a lot about crypto.com. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below, guys. That's all I got in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA and HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you here if you want to check them out. Peace.